So thank you so much, Sanjay and Kushal, for giving us some time about Parexel. We are talking about one of the largest clinical research companies in the world, having a very ambitious view here. What are you actually trying to do in here? I think as the industry goes at this point of time, our biggest focus on India is to how do we leverage the current ecosystem to bring more clinical trials into India and make sure that the patients here get access to medication as well. So I think both from a skill set perspective, so there are two approaches to that, right? One of the approaches is around how do we get more and more medication studies being conducted at India is included into the feasibility of the global studies. But having said that, how do they look at the current skill set of talent within India and give opportunities to them to be a part of this ecosystem within the clinical research organization? Right. So having said that, there are also a lot of challenges. We see awareness issues coming in. We see companies which are not yet up to the mark in terms of the standards that we need to follow the clinical trials. There is a lot of optimism from the global company. What are the spaces in which you see the maximum interest and where do you see those? I think from a therapeutic perspective, absolutely, as you start looking at areas like oncology, respiratory, CNS, the metabolic studies, and all that stuff is to become very prominent. But coming to your point from the challenges perspective, I think the biggest challenge lies in terms of how do we educate the entire stakeholders who are a part of this ecosystem and in the clinical trials. And I'm not just talking about the CROs who are conducting the trial, but I'm talking about even the patients, like how do we make sure that the fear of adverse events is being communicated appropriately, the informed consents are explained appropriately, and then accordingly tells them the advantages that clinical trials should not be only looked upon as alternative therapy, but can it be a standard of care that can be put as a part of the process as well. And last but not the least, I think the onus of bringing the right quality lies on every single stakeholder within that ecosystem. Right? The reason why we are a part of industry content is because we have a patient at the end of the line and we want to get education into the market. So I think as a CRO, making sure that we're meeting the highest standards of compliance, SOPs, all this is going to be pretty good. Sure. Like Kushal, you lead from Boston, you have access to the world's most innovative companies. What are you picking up from Boston? Is there a lot of interest that you see from companies in the US or Europe to participate in India? What are the issues that you actually would like to highlight?
I think from our standpoint, as a true global CRO, APAC has always been super important. So when you think about running truly global phase 3 trials, you want to get a true global representation in all of these trials. I think, as Sanjay mentioned, our focus is in few areas. How do we help global, large pharma, but even biotech, get access to the Indian patient? So we are running quite a few phase 3, phase 2 trials in India, and they span across a lot of therapeutic areas. So it's not all oncology or one type of order. In the same time, we also want to have the Indian pharma and biotech industry to go global. And of course, Indian sites play a key role into that. We had a good discussion on GCC. So even if you are not running trials, like right now, with our 6,000 strong colleagues, India is really supporting, help run these trials globally as well. So it plays a very crucial role in our growth plan. And of course, I'm slightly biased being colleagues from the Indian origin, but India will be a big role in Parexel's growth.
And to what level do you think that opportunity can?
Yeah, I think, of course, this is also a PV hub, right? So we are continuing to invest in that. But as the clinical ops hub strategy materializes, I think Sanjay mentioned we are right now on a double-digit growth trajectory, and that will continue for outpacing the global.
Thank you so much. Thank you.